What happens when you do not do marketing? Yes, especially in the modern hospitality industry, how this impacts, I am going to tell you in a moment. Hello, my name is Prashant and I help independent hoteliers scale their business, boost profits and enjoy life. Let me give you an example. Let us say that you saw a seed underneath the soil with 100% confidence that the soil is highly fertile and nature will take care of everything. You were just waiting for the season to come, so fruits started coming. What happens when season comes? Fruits may come or may not, or even if they do come, they may not be the kind you wanted. You have no control neither over the quality nor over the quantity of those fruits. Now, let us see the flip side. You saw the seed and even you know that the soil is fertile. You are not relying on the nature, but you start nurturing them in a scientific way. You water, you fertilize and give the right amount of sunlight. In this case, when season comes, you are already aware about the quality and quantity of the fruits. Same thing happens when you have a hotel, but you do not implement any scientifically proven marketing strategies. You have no control over your business. Your occupancy rates may be as you wanted or may not be. But when you do marketing, you are aware about the quality and quantity of the customers you are going to have and what amount of revenue you will generate. Hope now you understand that no matter what kind of property you have, you need to do marketing. If you want to go deeper and understand what kind of marketing strategies do you need, provide your details in the below link so I can arrange a free discovery call with you and help you to scale your business, boost profits and enjoy life. Bye for now.